We begin with Graylin Welch, who's celebrating her 5th birthday with lots of hearts because she gets all this birthday love from mom, dad, big sister, and little brother. Graylin, a very happy birthday to you in Erie.
All right, and Crestline, also turning 5 years old, Anaya Palmer. Happy birthday.
Check out the
little unicorn.
Check out the unicorn. That is too cool.
Yeah.
All right, now you gotta let us know where you got that. That's a good one. All right, your Lam Shack is celebrating number 9 in Kirkwood, Kansas, and she may have got it herself. Not saying she didn't. I hope she did. That's impressive right there.
I will
Happy
say
birthday.
the look on her face is not really certain of what's going on there.
Well, I think that's Maja in the back, isn't it?
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Would make sense. That would make sense.
I think she's showing a little sense to, she bagged that.
I bet that is Maya's.
That's great.
I want to run with that.
Nice getting, kid. Let me know when we're eating.
All right, Rhett Bourne, turning 9 years old. Got a trio of 9-year-olds here. That's a great picture there of Rhett, celebrating in St. Paul.
Also 9, Raylyn Perry. Raylyn, I want you to have a marvelous birthday, kiddo.
All right, and Gracie Heston is turning 11 years old this year. Happy birthday, Gracie. Hope you have a wonderful day.
To our teenagers, where we begin with Chesney Billings, celebrating her 15th birthday. A little Baxter Springs Lions Prides. Cool card right there, Chesney. Very happy birthday to you. I will be looking for number 32 next time we run into Baxter Springs.
All right.
Back up the outfield.
And we've got Cadence Tuck, turning sweet 16 in Fort Scott. And if Cadence is turning 16, that means Hadley is as well. Cadence and Hadley, both 16 years old this year. All right, Fort Scott Tigers.
Into Parsons, where Caitlin Young is celebrating her 23rd birthday. Miss Caitlin, a very happy birthday.
Devin Heckert, turning 27 years old today. Hope it's a great one, Devin.
And Robin Zorns, the milestone 30th. Robin, happy birthday. She is in Riverton.
All right, and Amanda Haley, celebrating birthday number 31 this year. Pretty picture there of Amanda. I understand she's a para at Meadowview Elementary School in Parsons.
Now, Danette Nash, she has a milestone as well. Danette is turning 60 in Mound Valley. And Danette, I want to point out that this comes with love from your sister. And also, too, just so I can get it started with inside the family, she wanted to point out that she is your younger sister.
Oh.
Yeah, just that. Right. So, Danette, birthday wishes from your younger sister.
For sure. And we got the Galena twins, Carol and Kathy. Carol Clyburn, Kathy Paddock, both turning 65 years old this year. I hope it's a great one.
Everybody at Central School in Columbus, if you run into Miss Chanel Bullard today, we want you to wish her a very happy birthday right there. And Chanel, this also comes with birthday love from Kennedy and John in Columbus.
All right, and we've got Martin White. Did he just bake a pie? Or did someone bake a pie for Martin?
He's not
In
delivering
Columbus.
mail, he's baking cakes.
I don't know, yeah. Says he's a rural postal carrier in Columbus. Busy guy there. Mr. Martin White, hope you have a wonderful birthday.
We got one without a picture. Tanya and I both know him. Enjoying retirement. We will track him down. But Kent, you know that we love you, and I hope everything is going extremely well. Kent Susie celebrating a birthday in Columbus, and Kent, have a marvelous, marvelous birthday, my man. A happy birthday and happy anniversary.